Today, I'm in Dovedale. And we're here to climb a place called Thorpe Cloud. Now I know what you're thinking. Ben, how are you going to climb a cloud? Well, turns out it's not a cloud. Turns out it's just a very big hill. We came here about 6 months ago, got 80% of the way up. Turns out I have a fear of heights, completely bottled it. Which is odd, because I have been here when I was a child, scrambled up it like it ain't no thing. So, today's the day of redemption. Up we go. I was going to get some drone footage up there, but as you can probably hear, it's windy as hell, but the sun's out. It's a nice day. Made it to the top. Definitely no drone footage though, it's windy as hell over here, which is why we're not on that little peak thingy-majig there, because we'll, you know, turn into a broken hang glider and just fall off the side. So we're just going to sit up here and enjoy the views, and then we're going to head down to the stepping stones and have a wander down to Ilam Rock, and that's pretty much it. So, a couple of facts about Thorpe Cloud while I'm up here. The Thorpe Cloud, not an actual cloud, it stands at an elevation of 287 metres or 942 feet. The word cloud actually comes from the Anglo-Saxon word clud, meaning massive rock or hill. Okay. Apparently Thorpe Cloud and Dovedale were used in the 2010 Robin Hood film with Russell Crowe, which I didn't know because, you know, Team Costner, mate, Team Costner. It just occurred to me when I was up there giving you those super interesting facts, but you have no idea what Thorpe Cloud looks like. I was going to rectify that with the drone footage, but that didn't happen. So I'm going to throw some shots on screen right now. You like the new fleece?
Yeah.
Yes. Word of the day? Yes. Alright, Sophie's been practicing her accent.
Mini waterfall. Mini water. Fucking waterfall! Baslow. I'm gonna do Baslow. Baslow! Curly whirly. I like curly whirly, I do. Hey up.
You film my ass.
I'm getting some beauty shots. Hey up.
Say hello.
Hey up.
Tell us about yourself.
I don't want to.
Ilam Rock. just made our way to the dove holes. Echo. Last stop of the day. Reynard's cave. Surprisingly steep ascent, and to be honest, not worth it. Full of garbage. Scruffy. Looks better from down there. Just stay down there. Doesn't really show on film, but you know, it's pretty steep.